it's a really nice day out. I'm glad that I'm selling ice cream today. I mean, there should be a lot of customers.
Sorry. Is there an empty job? Oh, sorry, I'm super clumsy. Is there an empty job I could do?
Well, you maybe can, yeah, maybe you can check out later in the day, and once I'm not opened, and I'm closed, and then I can sign you in, yeah.
Okay, I have a sister that's sick. Could I get a popsicle for her?
Oh, yes, what kind?
Strawberry.
Okay, do you want it round or flat?
Flat.
Okay. There you go.
Oops. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Is it free?
Oh, yes, but, I mean, yeah.
Okay. I'll pay you if I need more.
Like, oh, well, you don't have to do that. Well.
I just gave you a glass of water for no reason. I'm sorry. It's a hot day, so I just wanted to do that.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. Here you go, sis. Thanks. No problem. Here, maybe you should hold it with this hand. It might be easier. Good night. How about it was later in the day? Oh, later in the day. It's kind of later. What time do you close?
I close at 8 p.m.
8 p.m.? What time is it?
Let's see. It's 6:30 right now.
Okay, well, I'll check with you at 8 p.m.
Yeah.
At 8 p.m.
Yes.
Okay, I'm back. It's not really dark because it's the summer, so.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, that's okay. If you can come in here, and you come in the back of my studio, I'll tell you what you need to do.
Okay. Oh!
So, well, you technically, you'll be my server, and for, like, some other days, and you will, I guess, you can, like, wash dishes, you can put away the stuff so it doesn't melt, and, yeah, stuff like that, and when I'm really busy, you can work for me,
Okay.
and, yeah.
Okay.
And I'll pay you for that. I'll give you $2 an hour, per hour.
Okay. Yeah, we should do yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, okay.
To be continued.